Hi, my name is Lin Sen, and now I'm going to explain my code for the quiz 9, question number 1. So for the question number 1, it's asking to write a function that it will take a lowercase letter and return and encode that letter as follows. So A will get encoded to Z, and B will get encoded to Y, C get encoded to X, X is get encoded to C. So what does mean like the whole alphabet? So it's like going backwards to the alphabet. So first, I'm going to import the lowercase alphabet from string as LC and the uppercase alphabet from string as UC, and then I define a function like the sample, define encode L, and in the param I have letter. So if the letter in the LC, then we find the index, find the index of that letter in the lowercase in the LC alphabet, and then we take the index we just compute by using the find function, and then we call the shift factor, and then we call the shift factor equal 25 minus in the bracket I have index %26, which is for it to make it roll around to the beginning of the alphabet. And then I will cipher underscore letter equal LC in the bracket index underscore shift, which is I use the indices, and then I return the cipher underscore letter, and I do the same thing for the UC, which is uppercase. So either lowercase or uppercase, it will encode and return the same value. So I'm going to test it out right here for letter in A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Print letter, get encode to encode L letter, and this print to make the space. So I'm going to test it out. So I have it up here. A gets encode to Z, Y, B get encode to Y, C get encode to X, and X get encode to C, Y get encode to B, Z get encode to A.